Do you want to play with me?
Yes, I want to play.
Let's go to the playground.
Wow, it looks so fun.
I love this place.
Me too.
Look at the big slide.
It is very tall.
Are you scared?
A little bit.
Don't worry, I will go first.
Okay.
Whee, the slide is fast.
That looks fun.
Now it's your turn.
Okay, here I go.
Great job.
That was amazing.
Let's play on the swing.
I love swings.
Push me, please.
Okay, hold tight.
Higher, please.
Haha, okay.
Now, I will push you.
Thank you.
Are you having fun?
Yes, so much.
You look happy.
I am happy.
Look at the seesaw.
Let's try it.
Sit here.
Okay, I'm ready.
Up and down.
So funny.
Do you like monkey bars?
Yes, but they are hard.
Try slowly.
Okay, I can do it.
Good job.
Thank you.
Let's run around.
Okay, race with me.
Ready?
Ready?
Go.
I'm fast.
You run very fast.
Thank you.
I need more practice.
You are good too.
Let's race again.
Sure.
I'm thirsty.
Me too.
Let's drink water.
Good idea.
Water feels nice.
Yes.
Do you want snacks?
Yes, I'm hungry.
I have cookies.
Yum, thank you.
You're welcome.
Delicious.
Let's sit for a while.
Okay, I'm tired.
The weather is nice.
Yes, very sunny.
I like today.
Me too.
Look at those flowers.
They are pretty.
What color do you like?
Pink.
I like yellow.
Nice choice.
Let's go to the sandbox.
Great idea.
I will build a castle.
I will help you.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Our sandcastle looks good.
Yes, it is beautiful.
Let's make a tower.
Okay.
Done.
Awesome.
Look, a butterfly.
So cute.
It is flying away.
By butterfly. Funny.
Let's climb here.
Be careful.
Don't worry.
You are brave.
Thanks.
Welcome.
Can you catch me?
I will try.
Run fast.
I'm coming. Got you.
That was fun.
Yes, very fun.
I like tag games.
Me too.
Let's play again later.
Sure.
The playground is busy today.
Many kids are here.
Everyone looks happy.
Yes.
I love playgrounds.
Same.
The sun is going down.
Time goes fast.
I don't want to leave.
Me neither.
But we can come again.
Yes.
Did you have fun today?
Yes, a lot.
What was your favorite?
The swing.
Mine was the slide.
Nice.
Let's come tomorrow too.
Good idea.
Same time?
Yes.
See you then.
See you.
I had a great day.
Me too.
Thanks for playing.
Thank you too.
Bye.
Bye.
Today was so fun.
Yes, I am happy.
Let's play again soon.
Of course.
See you next time.
See you.